guys. So I just wanted to maximize my space that was left over. Those little boards that you see on the wall, I just hung them up just a few minutes ago. I had to move them from these bookcases over there, the ones on the bottom, like the ones you see right there and right there and right there and this one here. So I, instead of just getting rid of them and throwing them away, I found a little spot in my room and put them up there. And I'm going to put the rest of my boots that have nowhere to go. Yeah, yeah, your girl is working. Work. You can do this for yourself. Feels good. Well, that one is uneven. That's because I bought different brackets. Those ones were smaller. I had those ones put on the other side, but I had already done it. I was not going to remove that one just because it looks uneven. Nobody gives a shit. It's just a closet. Who cares, man? All right. Okay, guys. So it looks like my leftover shelving has really proved to be very useful. So, like I said earlier, I was trying to build a place for my long boots, and I did. And I'm so excited because I did it by myself. I didn't get any help. My hubby didn't help me. He was at work. But this is the final thing. This was my project for the day. On the bottom, I just have my everyday boots. And then I have my tomboy boots. Then my girly boots. And more girly boots. This is a project that anyone can do at home. It's very, very, very easy. I'm excited. Alrighty. Goodbye.